you are curious about the steps to the home buying process from the perspective of a first-time home buyer, today's your lucky day. Starting out, the first thing you're going to want to do is get your finances in order. If we're looking to qualify for a conventional loan, we actually want to make sure we're near a 640 credit score for a conventional loan. The next step is to meet with an agent and create a strategy and a game plan to make sure we're not missing out on any homes. Meeting with that agent is going to give you a really good strategy and a game plan so that you don't miss out on any homes. The third step in the process is going to start seeing homes and writing offers with your agent. The average agent is going to see 5 homes with a qualified buyer before writing their first offer together. The next step in the process once you have something under contract is going to be your inspection and appraisal periods. With inspections, you want to make sure that you're asking for things that would make you walk away from the deal. The last step in the process is going to be closing out that loan and getting all the paperwork finished. At that point, any possession period that you've offered the seller will begin. So keep in mind that the closing date and when you get the keys to your home may not be the same. If you have any questions about the home buying process, feel free to comment below or give us a call today.